Yes, hello everyone guys, welcome on YourPedia platform. I hope you all are fine, preparing well. So guys, as you all know, we have started this Fundu 15 series and 4 to 5 series, and through this particular series guys, we are solving important questions from different subject. Okay, so today I am here in front of you with the 15 Fundu questions from the subject thermodynamics. 3 different level of questions we are solving. You all already aware about all those things. So in these 15 questions guys, I will try to cover the topic that work and heat and first law of thermodynamics for a closed system. Okay, earlier we solved some question from basic thermodynamics also. Okay, and this is our I think thermodynamics third lecture 3 for this Fundu series, and we will solve some question from work heat and first law of thermodynamics for closed system. Next class we will have on next Monday, and we will in that class we will solve some question from first law of thermodynamics for an open system. Okay, and in that particular lectures guys, you will find very good question, because in GATE also lots of question you will find in the previous year examination from that particular chapter. Okay, this is also very important because closed system you also find lots of question from that, but the level of question is comparatively that not that much difficult as compared to the questions which are generally asked from that you can say open system. Okay, so let's start our discussion. Question number 1, and through these 15 questions guys, you will be able to revise your entire concept related to work, heat and first law of thermodynamics. Okay, so let's start our discussion with the first question in front of you. Okay, this is actually a MSQ type question. ये multiple select option है. Okay, MSQ, multiple select question. Okay, यहाँ पे you can select multiple options. Okay, you can select A, B, C, D, you can select A, B, you can select B, C, C, D, any combination. Okay, so here actually in exam you will find some kind of icon, something like this, and you will be able to click actually any options which you like. तो इसको हम बोलते हैं MSQ. Okay, so let me read it for you, and in this recorded section guys, I am not able to give you the sufficient time, so you need to pause the video and you need to try. Okay, it's my request to all of you guys, please try at least to solve all the questions. If you are able to solve, it's fine. You can mention in the comment section also out of 15 how much marks you are securing. Okay, how many questions you are able to solve, so you can mention in the comment section. So this is first question. An ideal gas is taken from state A to B, where the state A pressure is P, volume is V, state B pressure is P by 2 and volume is 2V. Along a straight line path in the PV diagram, select the correct option. So let me first draw this particular process. मैं इस process को draw कर देता हूँ बच्चों. So the process is something like this. So this is a pressure line, okay, and suppose this is volume line, and at point A the pressure is P, okay, and the volume is what? The volume is V. Okay, and A to B you are having a straight line process. A to B कैसा process है बच्चों? एक straight line process है. Okay, and at this B the volume is 2V. यहाँ पे volume कितना बच्चों? V है, and at B the pressure is P by 2. Okay, the pressure is P by 2 at this point, and here the pressure is P. Okay, and A to B is the process which we are having. Now what is asking you? The work done by the gas in the process A to B exceeds the work done by the process if it is moved from A to B through a isothermal process. Okay, guys, you know, if you will move from A to B through a isothermal process, so what you will have? You will have a rectangular hyperbola, because isothermal के लिए क्या होता है आपके पास? Temperature equal to constant, so PV equal to constant, so you will have a profile of, on PV diagram you will have XY equal to some constant, and XY equal to constant, that is actually equation of a rectangular hyperbola. So you are going to have a rectangular hyperbola something like this. Okay, something like this you will have. This is for rectangular hyperbola XY equal to constant, और या मैं इसको क्या बोल सकता हूँ? और PV equal to constant. Yes or no? Okay, so this rectangular hyperbola easily you can analyze कि if it is going through this isothermal process, the area under this curve is less as compared to the area under the straight line between A and B. Yes or no? So what you can say, area under this curve, okay, area under the curve, suppose A1 through the process AB, that is greater than A2 area under the curve when it is moving through what you can say isothermal process. So this is A2, this area is A2, okay, and this entire area, this plus this, that is A1, and A1 is more than A1, A1 is more than A2, so you can say W via what you can say straight line path, okay, that is greater than W isothermal. Okay, so this is right. देखो ये पहला तो आप सभी मार्क कर पाओगे easily. This is very right. So you will be able to click on this and you will be able to select this. Okay, so option A आपने select कर लिया. Right. Okay. Now you need to go with second option. In the TV diagram, the path AB becomes a part of hyperbola. Is it right or wrong, guys? You need to check. Okay, you can guess also. So TV diagram pe, if you locate how to draw this straight line path AB on a TV, you can say TV diagram. Okay. So for that, actually, guys, क्या करना पड़ेगा आपको? Let me write it here. The equation of this process, अगर मैं इस equation लिखूं इस process का, you know y equal to mx plus c. This is the equation of a straight line. Okay, y equal to mx plus c, equation of a straight line. So here what is y, guys? Y is p. Okay, और यहाँ पे slope कैसा है बच्चों? This straight line you are having, but this slope is negative. So you can write it here minus a. Okay, what you are having on x-axis? V plus b. So this is the equation of this straight line. ये क्या है बच्चों? इस straight line का equation है. P equal to minus a v plus b. Yes or no? Okay, because this is a straight line and this is the equation of a straight line. From that only I am writing this. Okay, so if you multiply both side v, अगर आप दोनों तरफ v से multiply कर दें, so you will have pv equal to minus a v square plus bv. Yes or no? Multiplying both side by v, you will have this equation. Very simple. Now you know, using ideal gas equation, for ideal gas pv equal to mRT. Yes or no? या PV equal to nRT लिख सकते हैं if you will use universal gas constant. So PV equal to nRT. So if you will replace this PV with nRT, so I can write here nRT equal to minus a v square plus bv. Yes or no? I will be able to replace this, and now I can easily write here T equal to 1 by nR into minus a v square plus bv. Yes or no, guys? So this is the equation I am going to have. This equation I will have, yes or no? T equal to this. So now if you will analyze this equation, T equal to 1 by nR into minus AV square plus BV. So actually guys, this is the equation of a parabola. ये किसका equation है? This is the equation of a parabola. Okay. And if it is the equation of parabola, so on TV diagram, temperature versus volume diagram, you are going to have a parabola. Okay. So this option, this particular okay, this particular option B, this is also right. This is also right. Okay, ये भी क्या है बच्चों? This is also right. Now on PT diagram, the path of AB becomes a part of hyperbola. On PT diagram, the path becomes part of hyperbola. Okay. अब PT diagram पे क्या करना पड़ेगा बच्चों? देखो यहाँ पे you can replace this V here. Here you can replace this V with the T. Okay. यहाँ पे आप इसको replace कर सकते हो बच्चों. इस v को रिप्लेस कर सकते हो विद t. ओके, t एंड p. सो देखो p इक्वल टू माइनस a, अभी pv इक्वल टू nRT होता है तो v को क्या लिख सकते हो? nRT बाय p. सो यू कैन राइट इट हियर nRT बाय p. ओके, एंड प्लस b. सो दिस इज एक्चुअली द इक्वेशन बिटवीन व्हाट? द प्रेशर एंड टेम्परेचर. ओके, एंड अगेन इफ यू एनालाइज दिस इक्वेशन, दिस इज ऑल्सो ए पैराबोला. Between p and t also you are going to have a parabola. Okay, so the statement which is saying ki between A and B, on PT diagram the AB will become a hyperbola, that is not right, because on PT diagram also you are going to have a parabola. Okay, so this statement is not right. ये वाली जो statement है बच्चों, this is not right. Okay, ये क्या है? गलत है. Now let us check about statement D also. अभी देखो, this is just exercise guys, don't take it otherwise कि sir is this type of question can be asked. Guys, we are practicing, okay, and in practice we need to actually apply our mind so that we will make ourselves capable to solve different type of question. Okay, so that is only take it like that, practice only. Okay, don't think sir like how this much time we will have or not. Okay, this is first question, and what I feel in first question we are having that huge energy and we can apply our mind. Yes, in next 2-3 questions you will find after that very halwa type and khichdi type question, because in entire this lecture we are going to solve 15 questions. Okay, but good concept question you are going to find. Okay, so don't worry, soon we will move to other questions also. Chaliye, so if you will answer this, in going from A to B, the temperature T of the gas first increases to maximum, then value decreases. Guys, अगर मैं यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा आपसे पूछूं, can you find out the plot? How can you draw this particular process on TV diagram? क्या इसको TV diagram पे आप locate कर सकते हो बच्चों? क्या इसको आप TV diagram पे locate कर सकते हो? Suppose this is point A. Okay, this is point A and this is point B. You know the point A and B. Okay. Point A पे क्या है वॉल्यूम, क्या है point A पे बच्चों? Point A पे वॉल्यूम is V and point B पे वॉल्यूम is 2V. So here volume is V and here volume is 2V. So easily you are having this A and B. Now the second question is this this parabola is going something like this or something like this. It is going like this, okay, or it is going like this. Then how you will be able to find out that? ये कैसे निकालोगे? Okay, because between A and B, this is volume V. अब you can say, sir, how you are taking a, why you are taking a horizontal line? It can be something like this also. Here volume is V, here volume is V, and it can be something like this. Why you are taking as a horizontal line? Guys, if you will solve this here, यहाँ पे क्योंकि I already solved this and I know कि this is going to come something like this. You can solve and from here, let me solve it for you. Here, if you will analyze this particular A and B, easily you will be able to find out these A and B values. A and B को आप easily निकाल सकते हो. Guys, what is this A? A क्या होता है? A is the slope of this line. The slope of this line is A. So what you can say? This is nothing but tangent theta. A is the slope of this line, which is tangent theta. So slope क्या होता है बच्चों? Perpendicular to the base. So what is perpendicular? Perpendicular is P minus P by 2. P minus P by 2, so which is P by 2 only. So this is perpendicular. Divided by base. What is base, guys? Base is 2V minus V, so this is base. Okay. So what you will have? You will have P by 2V. So this is nothing but A. ये क्या आपका A है बच्चों? Similarly, you can solve it for B also. B को भी आप निकाल सकते हो. You can find out B, the intercept on y axis. या तो आप यहाँ पे क्या करो, दोबारा से you can go with similar triangle rule. Similar triangle लगा दो, then you will have B intercept on y axis. Or otherwise, simply you can put A here. A का value यहाँ पे put कर दो, and you will have the B value. So B is nothing but P plus AB. B equal to P plus AB. Okay. So P कितना है बच्चों? P plus AB. A कितना है आपका? P by 2V into V. So V will cancel out. You will have 3P by 2. Okay. So 3P by 2 is your B. So now you are having both the values of A and B. Okay. तो अभी अगर यहाँ पे आप इसको solve करोगे बच्चों, if you will solve this equation, this particular equation, if you will solve, okay, temperature at A and B. Okay. If you will find out temperature at A and temperature at B, putting here one you need to put volume at A and then you need to put volume at B, because A and B are constant. Okay, A and B क्या आपकी constant है. So let me put it here. 1 by NR, you also can check 1 by NR into minus A. What is A, guys? A is P by 2V. Okay, so P by 2V into V square. So what is volume at A, guys? Volume at A is V. Okay, so I am writing here V only, plus BV. So B is 3P by 2 into V. Okay, so ये आ जाएगा हमारे पास. ये सुनो बच्चों. So इसको अगर हम solve करेंगे, so this is minus P by 2. Let me check. So yes, this is V square. So this is V square. So you will have V only. यहाँ पे क्या बचेगा आपके पास? P V only. Okay. So let me cancel out here. Let me write it again. P by V 2V, because this is your A, into V square. Okay. So this will cancel out. You will have minus PV by 2. And here you are having 3PV by 2. So 2 you can take common. Or if you will take a numerator minus PV plus 3PV, what you will get? You will get 2PV. So 2PV by 2, what you are going to get? You are going to get PV by NR. Okay. तो इस पूरे को अगर आप solve करोगे, if you will solve this entirely, you will get PV by NR only. Okay. So TA will come out something like this. Similarly, you can solve it for TB also. आप इसको TB के लिए भी solve कर सकते हो. Temperature at point B. Okay. And here you need to put volume equal to 2V. Volume को क्या put करना पड़ेगा? 2V. Okay. So let me solve it here. 1 by NR into minus P by 2V into 2V square. And 2V का square अगर आप करोगे बच्चों, you will have 4V square plus 3V by 2 into 2V. Okay. So this is you are going to have. So इसको इससे काटोगे, you will have 2 and this will be cancel out. Similarly, this will also be cancel out. So what you are having here, guys? You are having minus 2PV and here you are having 3PV. So minus 2PV, 3PV. What you will have again? You will have a PV by NR only. Okay. PV by NR only you are going to have. Chaliye. So let me write it here. TB will also come out PV by NR. That's why actually I have shown this as a horizontal. This actually this temperature A and B as a same. So this is A, this is B, and both T and TV are same. Now the question arises, this is going something like this or something like this. For that actually guys, you need to differentiate this equation. आपको इसको क्या करना पड़ेगा? Differentiate करना पड़ेगा. Okay. you need to differentiate this, and if you will differentiate this dt by dv, अगर आप इसको with respect to v differentiate करें, what you will have guys, and if you will put it equal to 0, because at in between you are having somewhere temperature maximum, because you are going to have a parabola maximum or minimum, you don't know, from here to here in between you will have a temperature, okay, maximum, and it may be maximum minimum, you need to check whether you are getting maximum or minima. So tv by dt by dv, that is equal to 0, and if you will guys differentiate this with respect to v, so you will have 1 minus nr into minus 2av plus b, that is equal to 0. अभी ये तो constant है बच्चों, ये तो 0 नहीं हो सकता. What it means, minus 2av plus b, that is equal to 0. यही 0 है, yes or no? And if you will further solve this, तो क्या हो जाएगा, minus 2av that is equal to minus b, तो आपका जो v हो जाएगा बच्चों, v equal to b by 2a, okay, v equal to b by 2a. तो b कितना था बच्चों आपका, b था 3p by 2, okay, into ये जो आपका a था, a is p by 2v, okay. So if you will solve this, this will cancel out, this will cancel out. So what you will have guys, you will have 3v by 2, it means 1.5v, okay. So 1.5v पे बिल्कुल सेंटर पे है, बिल्कुल मिड पे, you will have maxima or minima. This is maxima or minima that you can easily check by d2t by dv square. थोड़ा सा मैथमेटिक्स इसमें आ रहा है बच्चों, okay, hope you will be able to understand. पहला क्वेश्चन है, आप समझ पाओगे. चलिए, so if you will further check d2t by dv square, अगर आप d2t by dv square चेक करते हैं बच्चों, if it is coming out negative, अगर ये नेगेटिव आ रहा है, you can check from this, this is dt by dv, आप इसको further differentiate कर दो with respect to v. So what you will have guys, you will have minus 2a, yes or no, minus 2a divided by this nr, that is negative. So d2t by dv is negative. What it means, it means the point where is you are getting the temperature is maximum, okay. So this is the point of maxima. ये पॉइंट कौन सा हो जाएगा बच्चों, बिकॉज d2t by dv square is negative, so you can say this is the point of maxima, point of maxima, okay. कौन सा point maxima है, where volume equal to 1.5v. Is that clear guys? That's why now you will be able to answer this question very easily. इस क्वेश्चन को आप बहुत आसानी से आंसर कर पाओगे. This was wrong. If you will go for option D, in going from A to B, the temperature T of the gas first increases to a maximum, then the value decreases. Is this statement is right? Yes, this statement is very right. So you can mark it here. This is also right. Okay. चलिए बस थोड़ा सा हमने इसको समझा. Okay, take it in that manner only. Let us move to next question. Question number 2. Okay, next question की बात करते हैं. Question number 2. अभी this is very conventional and simple question in front of you guys, and easily you will be able to solve this. So let me give you some time also to solve this question. Okay. 1 kg of air contained in a piston cylinder arrangement. So this is some piston cylinder arrangement where 1 kg air is contained. The gauge pressure of the air is 1 bar. When the current of 1 ampere and voltage of 10 volt is passed from the battery for a time of 10 seconds, piston slowly moves out and the change in volume is this. Okay, throughout this volume it moves. Net temperature decreases inside the piston is 1 degree Celsius. The change in temperature of the fluid in air inside this piston cylinder arrangement is 1 degree Celsius. What is find the net heat interaction during the process? Very simple question guys. But बहुत सारी चीजें हैं इसमें. पिस्टन मूव कर रहा है, so expansion work is there. You are supplying work also. Heat interaction आपसे पूछ रहा है. Change in internal energy is there. Okay. So all things are there, है ना? But question is very simple. Closed system है. Closed system के लिए अगर आप equation लेके चलोगे, easily you will get the answer. Which equation you need to use guys? dq equal to du plus dw. This is the equation. This is first law of thermodynamics for a closed system. Okay. Now he is asking you to find out this dq. आपसे dq ही पूछ रहा है. du कितना बोल रहा है बच्चों? बोल रहा है कि du change in internal energy for an ideal gas air, that is mc dt. Okay. और टेम्परेचर क्या कर रहा है बच्चों? डिक्रीज कर रहा है by 1 degree Celsius. So that you can say that is minus mcv into 1 only, because the change in temperature is 1 degree Celsius, so it is 1. But it is negative. Why it is negative? Because the temperature is decreasing with 1 degree Celsius, so the change in internal energy will be this. Yes or no? Now the second question arises, what are the different work transfer? There are 2 works which are actually work transfer is there. One is the expansion work, which is actually the work done by the system, that is positive, and another one is the work, electrical work which you are supplying. So first if I will talk about the expansion work, तो expansion work क्या हो जाएगा बच्चों? Expansion work which will be P dV, okay, because at constant pressure it is going to expand. कांस्टेंट प्रेशर पे एक्सपैंड करेगा, सो द एक्सपेंशन वर्क विल बी पीडीवी एंड द प्रेशर, गेज प्रेशर इज 1 bar, otherwise you need to take the net pressure. So the pressure is 1 bar, so 1 bar means 10 की power 5 Newton per meter square into dV. And what is dV, guys? dV is this 0.01. Yes or no? So 10 की power 5 into 0.01, this is the expansion work, and this will be positive. Why? Because this is the work done by the system. Next is the electrical work which we are supplying. इलेक्ट्रिकल वर्क क्या होता है बच्चों? अभी अगर आप सबको अब यू आर यूजिंग इन, यू आर पुटिंग ऑल द यूनिट्स इन जूल ओनली, जूल या किलो जूल, सो हियर आल्सो यू नीड टू पुट इन जूल, ओके, बिकॉज दिस इज इन जूल, दिस इसको भी हम जूल में ही लेंगे, एंड दिस आल्सो यू विल गेट इन जूल, बाद में हम वी विल कन्वर्ट इट. अच्छा, आंसर्स आर आल्सो गिवन इन जूल ओनली, ओके, सो यू नीड टू फाइंड आउट दिस इन जूल, ओके. सो इलेक्ट्रिकल वर्क इन किलोवाट या वाट में क्या होता है बच्चों? दैट इज पीवी, सॉरी VI. इलेक्ट्रिकल वर्क इज VI, वोल्टेज इनटू करंट इन वाट. बट if you will multiply it with the time, you will get the electrical work in joule. तो voltage कितना है बच्चों? Voltage is 10 volt, okay, current is 1 ampere and it is allowed to supply for time t. So this is the electrical work supplied, VI into t, या I square RT भी बोल सकते हो आप इसको, I square RT. resistance is not given, voltage and currents are given, so VI into t. VI क्या होता है आपका? That is a power input in watt, okay. So all these things are given. Now if you will solve this, अगर आप इसको solve करोगे you will get the answer. dq इक्वल टू माइनस साइन कन्वेंशन का याद रखना पड़ेगा. इफ यू यूज रॉन्ग साइन कन्वेंशन यू विल गेट रॉन्ग आंसर, ओके. मास कितना है बच्चों? मास इज 1 kg. CV is this 0.7 minutes, so let me write it 718 only. Why? Because I want this dq in joule. So -1 into this into 1 माइनस इसको करोगे तो you will have कितना आ जाएगा बच्चों? 1000, okay. This is plus 1000 minus 100, okay, minus 100 लिख देता हूं मैं. चलिए, फर्दर इफ यू विल सोल्व दिस गाइस, इसको अगर आप दोबारा सोल्व करोगे थोड़ा सा, यू विल गेट द फाइनल आंसर. सो दिस इज -718 minus 100 plus 1000 plus 1000, ओके. तो क्या आ जाएगा बच्चों? योर आंसर विल बी प्लस 182 जूल. Plus 182 joule is the net heat transfer in this process. So B is the right answer. बहुत simple question था, okay. And I think most of the student will be able to answer this type of question. Okay. चलिए, please check it again. Let me put it again in front of you. You can check whether you are getting the right answer or not. So let us move to next question. Question number 3 in front of you. This is previous year 2 marks question. गेट में पूछा गया प्रीवियस ईयर है. अभी ये जो दो थे दीज आर फ्रॉम द डिफरेंट रिसोर्सेज, ओके. पहला क्वेश्चन था दैट वाज आल्सो वेरी गुड, ओके. वो भी गेट में ऐसा उसको बिल्कुल ऐसा पूछ लेगा, देयर आर चांसेस आर लेस, बट उसको चेंज करके ऑब्वियसली यू नो लास्ट टाइम आल्सो सम ऑफ द क्वेश्चन वर आस्क्ड फ्रॉम MSQ. सो MSQ से क्वेश्चन बन सकता है, और MSQ से अगर क्वेश्चन बनता है तो वो ऐसा ही बनेगा, डिफिकल्ट ही बनेगा, ओके. सो ए वेल इंसुलेटेड रिजिड कंटेनर ऑफ वॉल्यूम 1 मीटर क्यूब कंटेन्स 1 kg of ideal gas and CP are given to you, pressure is given to you. A stirrer is rotating at constant RPM in the container for 1000 rotations and applied torque is 100 Newton meter. The final temperature in degree Kelvin. Again very simple question. So what is he has mentioned, there is a rigid container. आप इसको pause करोगे बच्चों and you will try to solve this question. आपको try करना है इस question को solve करने का, okay. So there is a rigid container something like this, okay, and it is perfectly insulated. It is well insulated. So means there is no heat transfer. Heat transfer is 0. Okay, there is no heat transfer. But you are supplying. आप इसको rotate कर रहे हो तो you are giving some rotations. You are giving some torque also. Okay, and the gas inside is the volume is container. The volume is 1 meter cube. इसका volume कितना है बच्चों? 1 meter cube. Mass is also given to you 1 kg. Okay, ideal gas है, CPCV are given to you at a pressure of this. So this is the initial pressure. Okay, P1 is given to you, which is 10 to the power 5 Pascal. Okay, so this is actually P1, initial pressure. Volume I am not writing V1, V2. Why? Because volume is same, constant. Because it is actually a container, rigid container. Rigid container होता है, so volume क्या होती है आपकी? Constant. So P1 pressure and temperature they are going to change because you are doing the external work. Okay, so P1 initial pressure is 10 to the power 5 Pascal. What is asking you? He is asking you the final temperature. अभी उसने आपको इनिशियल टेम्परेचर नहीं दिया है, ही इज आस्किंग यू द फाइनल टेम्परेचर. T2 बोल लीजिए, तो आपसे T2 पूछ रहा है फाइनल टेम्परेचर. ओके, नाउ प्लीज ट्राई टू सोल्व दिस. T2 आपसे पूछ रहा है. So guys, if I will ask you first, what is T1? T1 कहाँ से आएगा? T1 कहाँ से आएगा बच्चों? It is P1 V1, V1 V2 both are same, so P1V divided by MR. Yes or no? P1V divided by MR. Okay, तो क्या यहाँ से कैन वी फाइंड आउट दिस T1? क्या T1 को निकाल सकते हैं बच्चों? P1 कितना है आपका? P1 is 10 की पावर 5 पास्कल. V1 is your 1 मीटर क्यूब. मास कितना है? मास इज 1 kg. R कितना पुट करोगे? R is the difference of CP CV. अब जो वैल्यू दी है यू नीड टू टेक दैट ओनली. दिस इज CP 1000, दिस इज 800, तो इसको माइनस करोगे तो यू विल हैव 200. ओके, तो इसको सोल्व करोगे यू विल गेट T1. इसको सोल्व करोगे बच्चों यू विल गेट द T1 वैल्यू. डोंट टेक इट 0.287 और अदर थिंग. ओके, बिकॉज ही हैज गिवन यू द CP वैल्यू 1000 and CV वैल्यू 800 joules. And why we are taking in joules only? Because we have already mentioned pressure in Newton per meter square. If you are putting pressure in kilopascal, then only you need to take this R in kilojoule per kg Kelvin. ओके, तो इसको सोल्व कर देते हैं. 10 की पावर 5 डिवाइड बाय 200, you will get 500. किस में आएगा? केल्विन में. So this is the initial temperature. This is the initial temperature. Now final temperature you want to find out. This is a closed system, so easily you can write the equation. First law of thermodynamics for a closed system, dQ equal to du plus dW. अभी बच्चों dQ is 0. Why? Because this container is well insulated. अभी du कितना होगा? दैट वी डोंट नो, वी वांट टू फाइंड आउट दिस. ये हमें निकालना है. और ये वैसे होता क्या आइडियल गैस के लिए? फॉर आइडियल गैस बच्चों को कंफ्यूजन रहता है, सर du इज mcv dt cp dt. बच्चों इट डज नॉट डिपेंड ऑन द प्रोसेस. du फॉर आइडियल गैस इज ऑलवेज mc dt. dh फॉर आइडियल गैस इज ऑलवेज mcp dt. du हमेशा mcv dt होगा कोई भी प्रोसेस हो. बात समझ रहे मेरी? हीट ट्रांसफर it depends on the process. If it is a constant volume closed system, constant volume, then heat transfer equal to the change in internal energy, and the change in internal energy for an ideal gas is mcv dt. That's why heat transfer is equal to mcv dt for a closed system, reversible process at a constant volume. Similarly constant pressure के लिए वो change in enthalpy हो जाएगा and that will become mcp dt. But internal energy is always mcv dt and the change in enthalpy is always mcp dt. Okay, तो यहाँ पे मास कितना है बच्चों? मास इज 1 kg. CV कितना है बच्चों आपके? अभी आपको CV लेना है. CV इज 800. ओके, सो CV इज 800. ओके, MCV DT हमें निकालना है. चलिए DT हम निकालना चाह रहे हैं. व्हाट इज द चेंज इन टेम्परेचर? चेंज इन टेम्परेचर निकाल लेंगे. इनिशियल टेम्परेचर वी नो, सो इजीली यू विल गेट द फाइनल टेम्परेचर. ओके, सो प्लस DW. अभी DW यहाँ पे प्लस आएगा माइनस आएगा? बिकॉज देयर इज नो सच एक्सपेंशन वर्क वी आर गेटिंग, बिकॉज कॉन्स्टेंट वॉल्यूम है, बट वी आर सप्लाइंग सम वर्क, सो वर्क इज डन ऑन द सिस्टम, सो दैट विल बी नेगेटिव. ओके, नेगेटिव वर्क होगा. कितना वर्क होगा बच्चों? वर्क होगा T थीटा, T इंटू थीटा. ओके, वर्क क्या होता है बच्चों? फोर्स इंटू डिस्प्लेसमेंट. डिस्प्लेसमेंट वर्क क्या होता है? फोर्स इनटू डिस्प्लेसमेंट. ओके, अभी ये क्या है? रोटेशन है. रोटेशन में वर्क क्या होगा? रोटेशनल वर्क क्या होगा आपका? टॉर्क इनटू थीटा. एंगुलर रोटेशन, एंगुलर डिस्प्लेसमेंट. सो दिस इज टॉर्क. फोर्स को कौन रिप्लेस कर देगा? टॉर्क. और लीनियर डिस्प्लेसमेंट को कौन रिप्लेस कर देगा? एंगुलर डिस्प्लेसमेंट. सो यू आर गोइंग टू हैव वर्क इक्वल टू टी इनटू थीटा. सो टॉर्क कितना है बच्चों? टॉर्क इज गिवन टू यू 100 न्यूटन मीटर. 100 थीटा. हाउ मेनी रोटेशंस यू आर हैविंग गाइस? How many rotations? 1000 rotations. So in one rotation, how much distance that steerer will travel? कितना distance travel करेगा? एक rotation में 2 pi. Okay, तो 1000 rotation में कितना angle travel करेगा? 1000 into 2 pi. So here you need to write 1000 into 2 pi. Okay, तो इसको solve करोगे बच्चों, you will get dt. So dt क्या आ जाएगा आपका? dt equal to 100 into 1000 into 2 pi divide by 800. Please solve this and tell me what value of dt you are getting. Okay, क्या आपके पास dt का वैल्यू आ रहा है? Please check. Okay, so I'm getting it 785.39. 785.39 Kelvin. Temperature difference है, so you can put it Kelvin or degree Celsius, depends on you. चलिए, now guys dt क्या होता है? What is dt? dt is final temperature माइनस इनिशियल टेम्परेचर. अभी ये मिस्टेक मत कर देना. dt इज ऑलवेज फाइनल माइनस इनिशियल. ओके, सो dt दिस इज T2 माइनस T1. अभी ये क्या हो जाएगा बच्चों? दिस इज 785.39. तो T2 क्या हो जाएगा? T2 विल बी T1. T1 इज 500 प्लस 785.39. तो इसको इसमें जोड़ोगे यू विल गेट 1285.39 केल्विन. सो दिस इज द फाइनल टेम्परेचर एंड दिस इज द आंसर फॉर दिस क्वेश्चन. 1285.39 is the right answer for this question. Okay, मैं यहाँ लिख भी देता हूँ so that you will be able to note. Final temperature क्या आ जाएगा आपका? 1285 0.39 Kelvin. Okay, I hope you got the point. चलिए, let us move to next question. Question number 4. Question number 4 in front of you. A frictionless piston cylinder device contains 1 kg of an ideal gas. The gas is compressed according to this particular rule, PV की power 1.3 equal to constant. This is a relationship. The gas is flowing during the expansion. Okay. P is the pressure, V is the specific volume. Small v है specific mass volume. हाँ, mass specific volume. So specific volume from 100 kilopascal this temperature it reaches to this particular temperature. So T1, T2 are given to you. So this is T1 250. This is T2. This is P1. The heat transfer from the piston cylinder device to the surrounding. What is asking? He is asking what is the heat transfer in this process. What is the heat transfer in this process? आपसे पूछ रहा है कि इस प्रोसेस में कितना हीट ट्रांसफर हुआ है. Okay, please pause the video, try to solve this question. Okay, so guys, you know this PV की power 1.3, this is actually a polytropic process. ये क्या है कि आपका polytropic process है, polytropic process. Okay, and for a polytropic process you know dq polytropic क्या होता है बच्चों? What is dq polytropic? Heat transfer in a polytropic process, that is equal to gamma minus n by gamma minus 1 into dw polytropic. Yes or no? This is the relationship which you need to remember. dq polytropic equal to gamma minus n by gamma minus 1 into dw polytropic. So you need to put all the things. ये सारी ही आपको put करनी है and you will get the answer. देखो अभी gamma minus n, gamma कितना होता है बच्चों? dq in this process that is equal to gamma is 1.4. यहाँ पे n क्या है बच्चों? 1.3. This is n, polytropic index. So this is 1.3 divided by 1.4 minus 1. Okay. Here dw polytropic. What is dw polytropic? It is P1 V1 minus P2 V2 by gamma n minus 1. That is polytropic work, or you can write it as mr T1 minus T2 divided by n minus 1, because T1 T2 are given to us, so it is useful to write that polytropic work in this manner. mr T1 minus T2 divided by n minus 1. Okay. Now here also if you will put the values, यहाँ पे भी अगर आप values put करोगे, so this is 0.1, okay, divided by 0.4 into mass is 1 kg which is given to us. R कितना है? 287 जूल, तो जूल में ही लिख देते हैं 287. Okay, 287. So mass this T1 T2, T1 कितना था? 250 and final temperature था आपका I think 500. Okay, so this is this T1 minus T2, P1 V1 minus P2 V2 by n minus 1. We are converting that only in mr T1 minus T2 by n minus 1. Okay, अभी n कितना है बच्चों आपका? 1.3 minus 1. Okay, so this you will have. So let me solve it for you. You will have 287 minus इसको multiply कर देते हैं, multiply by minus 250. Okay, divided by 0.3 divided by 4. तो ये आ जाएगा आपका किलो जूल में लिख देता हूँ मैं. लेट मी राइट द आंसर इन किलो जूल. यहाँ पे मैं इसको किलो जूल में लिख देता हूँ. ओके, बिकॉज आंसर्स आर ऑल्सो आस्क्ड इन किलो जूल ओनली. आपसे जो आंसर पूछा है बच्चों वो किलो जूल में ही पूछा है. तो डी क्यू विल कम आउट, इससे जो भी आएगा उसको डिवाइड कर देना बाद में. क्या यहाँ से जो भी आएगा उसको डिवाइड कर देना 1000 से. ओके, सो यू विल गेट 59.791 किलो जूल. ओके, इसको सोल्व करोगे यू विल गेट 59791.66 जूल. ओके, ये आएगा आंसर आपका, बट यू नीड टू डिवाइड इट बाय 1000 टू कन्वर्ट इट इनटू किलो जूल. ओके, so again simple question. I think you will be, most of the student will be able to answer these type of questions. Please check it again. चेक करेंगे इसको. यहाँ पे मैं आंसर मेंशन कर देता हूँ 59.791 किलो जूल. Let me check if I'm having the answer of this question so that we will be able to, yes, ये माइनस आएगा बच्चों, that will be minus. Okay, because ये माइनस साइन आएगा, ये माइनस मत मिस कर देना. This will be minus 59.79. Minus, why? Because you can check it here. देखो ये चेक करो यहाँ पे this is 250 minus this, so heat transfer is minus. Okay, minus का मतलब क्या है? Heat will be rejected. ओके यहाँ पे हीट क्या होगा बच्चों, रिजेक्टेड. हीट एडिशन टू द सिस्टम इज पॉजिटिव, रिजेक्टेड इज नेगेटिव. तो यहाँ पे देख लेते हैं उसने क्या पूछा आपसे. Okay, he asked you the heat transfer from the piston cylinder device to surrounding. So yes, then you need to put in answer in positive only. आपको आंसर किस में पुट करना है बच्चों, पॉजिटिव में पुट करना है. बच्चे मेरे से पूछते हैं कई बार, सर the answer we are getting in negative, why we need to put answer in positive? Because he clearly mentioned the heat transfer from the piston to the surrounding. Piston to the surrounding means the heat which is rejecting, so that you need to put in 59.79 only. But if he will ask you what is the heat transfer in this process, then you need to put minus 59.79, means heat transfer is from the piston cylinder device to the surrounding. So minus sign is representing the direction only. Are you getting point? So if and you will find here the statement what is the net heat transfer in that process, then you can put minus sign. But otherwise, if you will mention what is the heat addition to the process, then also you need to put minus sign. Why? Because there is no heat addition, there is net heat rejection. Okay, and which is 59.79. But clearly he has mentioned what is the heat transfer from the piston cylinder device to the surrounding, then you need to put 59.79 kilojoule only. But here, because you need to know this is negative. Why? Because heat is going from the piston to the outside. Okay, chaliye, let us move to next question. Question number 5. Okay, question number 5 guys in front of you. A given mass of a simple compressible substance undergoes a reversible cycle as shown in the PV diagram. The magnitude of the net work done during the cycle is this. So W net is given to you. W net equal to 3 kilojoule. The pressure at point C. What is asking guys? He is asking the pressure at this point. What is the pressure at point C? Okay, bar में पूछेगा मेरे ख्याल से. Yes, the pressure is in bar. What is the pressure at point C in bar? Can you solve this question guys? Please try to solve. Okay. तो बच्चों अगर आप इस डायग्राम को देखें, if you write about the net work, अगर मैं यहाँ लिखता हूँ net work transfer. So net work transfer क्या होगा बच्चों? This net work transfer is nothing but work transfer during the process CA. Okay, work transfer during the process CA, WCA plus WAB plus WBC. Yes or no? So net work transfer is equal to this. अभी WCA क्या है बच्चों? This is a constant volume process. In a closed system, constant volume, the work will be 0. So this will be 0. Yes or no? So what is work AB? AB क्या होगा? This entire area, area under the curve AB. So this entire area is the work during the process. You will be easily able to find out this area. Similarly, what is the work during BC? BC में कौन सा area लोगे बच्चों? You need to take this area. This area only, the area under the curve BC. But what you need to analyze here guys, this AB here, the volume is expanding. Okay, so this is actually a positive work, because when the boundaries of the system are expanding in a closed system, the work is said to be done by the system, so that is positive. But when the boundaries are contracting, means volume is decreasing, then work is done on the system, it means this is negative work. तो ये क्या आएगा आपको? This will come out positive or this will come out negative. ये actual में क्या आएगा? Negative work है. This is the negative work. Okay. Now if you will solve this guys easily, you will get the answer. Let me put it here. The answer, how to solve this question. अभी देखो, this is 3 kilojoule. ये 3 kilojoule है. अभी AB के अंडर एरिया क्या होगा बच्चों? What is the area under the AB? So this will be the sum of this area plus this area. The sum of this area plus this area. So I can write it as 1/2. अगर मैं ये ऊपर वाला एरिया लेता हूँ, सिर्फ ये वाला एरिया. So this will be 1/2 into what you can say perpendicular to the base. So perpendicular क्या हो जाएगा बच्चों? 10 minus 1. 10 minus 1 बार हो जाएगा. ओके, बट हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा? वी नीड टू पुट इट इन किलो जूल. किलो जूल में लेना है. सो बार को मैं क्या कर देता हूँ? किलो पास्कल बना देता हूँ. सो इट विल बी 9 into 10 का स्क्वायर. वाई? बिकॉज दिस इज इन 3 किलो जूल. द नेट वर्क इज your 3 kilojoule. So 9 into 10 की power square. So this is the pressure difference. This pressure 10 minus 1 bar 9 bar. Okay. ये किस में आपका किलो जूल में? You can take it here जूल. अगर यहाँ पे 3000 लिख दोगे, then you can write here 10 की power 5 also. Into change in volume. What is the change in this difference? Base. What is base guys? Base क्या हो जाएगा? 0.021 minus 0.006. Okay. बट यू नीड टू प्लस दिस ऑल्सो. ये वाला वर्क आपको प्लस करना पड़ेगा. मैम लिख देता हूं, मान लीजिए सपोज दिस इज A3, तो मैं इसको लिख देता हूं प्लस A3. प्लस A3. मैं इसको सोल्व नहीं कर रहा हूं, बट आई एम जस्ट पुटिंग इट हेयर प्लस A3. सो दिस एरिया, टॉप एरिया प्लस दिस A3. ओके, मैं इसको A3 लिख रहा हूँ फॉर एग्जाम्पल, दिस ओनली विच A3 गाइस, A3 कौन सा है, मैं इसको ग्रीन से शो कर देता हूँ. सो दिस इज A3, ओनली दिस ग्रीन एरिया इज A3. ओके, सो दिस इज A3. इज दैट क्लियर गाइस? चलिए, नाउ व्हाट इज अ वर्क ट्रांसफर इन द प्रोसेस BC. BC में क्या होगा बच्चों, दिस ट्रायंगल एंड दिस लोअर A3. ओके, तो एंड दैट इज नेगेटिव वर्क, तो ये क्या हो जाएगा बच्चों, दिस विल बी माइनस हाफ perpendicular. So perpendicular is PC minus 1. Okay, PC minus 1. ठीक है बच्चों, PC minus 1. Okay, into 10 की power 2. Because I am putting this also in bar, ये भी मेरे को बार में चाहिए, this is already given in bar, so PC minus P1 into 10 square. Okay, into the change in volume which is also equal to what? Change in volume which is 0.021 minus 0.006. Yes or no? Okay. माइनस क्या करना पड़ेगा बच्चों, माइनस A3, because the area, the total area under the curve BC will be this area plus this area. Okay, but this is a negative work, तो यहाँ पे क्या हो जाएगा, माइनस हो जाएगा, and these two actually will cancel out each other. तो there is no need to calculate this. इसको कैलकुलेट करने की कोई जरूरत नहीं है, they are going to cancel out each other. Okay, इसको हम सोल्व कर लेते हैं. Let me solve this. Okay, and let us find out this PC. PC को निकालते हैं इसको सोल्व करके. सो 3 इक्वल टू 1/2. अगर मैं यहाँ से ये कॉमन ले लेता हूँ, सो यू विल गेट दिस हेयर 0.21 माइनस 0.006. दिस आई कैन टेक इजिली कॉमन, ये भी कॉमन ले लेते हैं, 10 स्क्वायर भी कॉमन ले लेते हैं, तो अंदर क्या बचेगा बच्चों हमारे पास, 9 माइनस PC माइनस 1. ओके, ये हमारे पास क्या बचेगा, अंदर बचेगा. Okay, so let me solve it for you and let me tell you what is the value of PC you are getting. So 0.21 minus 0.021, okay, 0.006 into 100, okay, divided by 2. ठीक है, और 3 को अगर हम इससे डिवाइड करते हैं विल गेट 4. ओके, 4 आ जाएगा. सो यू विल गेट PC माइनस 1, PC माइनस 1 दैट इज इक्वल टू 5. ओके, सो PC आ जाएगा आपका 6. आई एम गेटिंग PC इक्वल टू 6. यू कैन चेक, yes, and this is very right. So if you solve this, you will get a PC equal to 6 bar. PC equal to 6 bar you will get. Okay bachcho, so only one unknown PC and you will be easily able to calculate this PC. The pressure at point C is 6 bar. Okay, so this is the right answer for this question. Chaliye, let us move to next question. In front of you, question number 6. Which of the following is abscissa and ordinate for the process? इस process के लिए ये ordinate और abscissa क्या होगा? Okay, so guys, this is actually a closed container in which there is some kind of cylinder you have attached. तो closed container है तो क्या बोल सकते हो आप यहाँ पे? Volume is constant. Volume क्या होगी आपकी? Constant होगी. Okay. Insulated rigid container is already visible, clearly visible, so it is actually a constant volume process. So if you analyze out of this, the process, the vertical line, this vertical line is going to have a constant volume, so this will be a volume. ये क्या होगा आपका volume होगा, yes or no? Because this point 1 to 2, suppose any process you want to show, this point 1 to 2, what you will have? You will have a constant volume. So this vertical line, this is representing the volume axis. Now what you will have here? अभी यहाँ पे abscissa पे क्या मिलेगा आपको? देखो एक ही ऑप्शन है आपका, which is this. Okay, so it will be PV. यहाँ पे क्या होगा आपका? प्रेशर. यहाँ पे क्या होगा आपका? वॉल्यूम, constant volume, and the pressure will be something like this. Okay, so here you will have pressure, here you will have volume. So the right option for this question will be option A. Okay, चलिए let's move to next question, question number 7. A thermodynamic system undergoes cyclic process A, B, C, D as shown in figure. The net work done in the cycle is, what is the net work done in the cycle? Process कैसे जा रहा है बच्चों? A, B, A to B, C, D, A. The process is something like this. Okay, it is following this particular path. A to B, then C, then D, something like this. What is the net work done? अभी आप कहोगे सर नेट वर्क डन विल बी द क्लोज्ड एरिया, yes or no? So if you will go with that closed area, or if you will answer this यहाँ से आप निकालोगे, यहाँ से निकालोगे, then you will get the wrong answer, because you need to actually analyze here. Guys, this is also the closed area, this is also the closed area, but दोनों में difference क्या है? This is actually a clockwise cycle. ये जो closed area बनेगा, this closed area, this is a clockwise, so this is going to give you the positive work. Okay, and this is actually anti-clockwise area, so this is going to give you the negative work, and both areas are same. Like if you will analyze here that this particular base, this is same, the height here also the difference is PO, here also the difference is PO, so both areas are same. This area and this area both are same, but this lower one is positive work. क्या हुआ है आपका clockwise cycle, क्या होते हैं आपके work producing cycle होते हैं, and this top one is your anti-clockwise cycle, which is actually work absorbing cycle. So here you are going to get plus W work, here you are going to give you can say you need to give minus W work, so the net work will be 0. So the right option for this question is D. The net work done in this process will be D, 0. Okay, if you want to find out the area, then you can find out area also. Okay, chaliye, let us move to next question, question number 8. In a steady flow process taking place in a device with a single inlet and single outlet, the work done per unit mass is this: integration VdP, where V is your specific volume and dP is the change in pressure. So work is integration minus VdP. So this expression for W is valid for any process, both reversible and adiabatic. Is valid only for the process in which both reversible and isothermal, is valid for any reversible process, or it is incorrect. This relation is incorrect, the right relation is this. So this question was asked in 2008, okay, 2 marks ka question, although this question is very easy. So can you guess guys, can you answer which will be the right option for this question? But so you know dq equal to dE plus dW. This is for any process. dq equal to dE plus dW. Any process, it may be you can say reversible, irreversible, it may be open, close. Any process in open or closed cycle, because here you are using dE, total energy, and here you are not putting PdV work. So this dW is representing the work. So this is applicable to any process, okay, or any system, open, close. But if you will put it here, dq को अगर मैं यहाँ पे change कर दूँ, अगर मैं यहाँ पे d की जगह if you will neglect kinetic and potential energy changes, neglecting kinetic and potential energy changes, neglecting kinetic energy and potential energy changes, अगर मैं इसको neglect कर दूँ, and if I will write it here, dq equal to dh plus dw, dq equal to dh plus dw. Okay, so I am neglecting kinetic and potential changes, and I am assuming it as a open system. मैं इसको open system लेके चल रहा हूँ, so I am writing it here dq equal to dh plus dw. You know guys, TDS equation, TDS equal to dh minus bdp. This is the TDS equation we are having. Okay, and for a reversible process, this TDS equal to dq, या dq equal to TDS reversible, या ds equal to dq by t reversible. So for a reversible process, dq equal to TDS. So if you will replace this dq with this, तो यहाँ पे आप क्या लिख सकते हो? You can write dh plus dw, that is equal to dh minus vdp. Yes or no? Easily you can write it here. Okay, and if you will cancel out this and this, you can write the open system work. This is actually representing open system work. Why? Because total energy we are representing in terms of the change in enthalpy, neglecting the kinetic energy and potential energy changes. So this is going to give you the open system work, not closed system. Okay, closed system work नहीं का, this is going to give you the open system work, and that is equal to the minus VdP. या अगर मैं total work लिखना चाहूँ, if I want to write the total work W, okay, open, तो क्या हो जाएगा आपका? It would be integration inlet to outlet, inlet condition to the outlet condition of VdP. Okay, so guys, what are the assumption? What assumption we assumed? First thing is reversible. तो एक ही हमने assumption माना है यहाँ पे कि process क्या आपका reversible, because we replace dq with TDS. Okay, so option C is the right answer for this question. जो option C हो जाएगा बच्चों, this is the right answer. Okay, अभी ये कि आप कहोगे सर this is for isothermal, this is for adiabatic, that is not right. Like integration PDV is your closed system work. Whether the process is constant volume, whether the process is constant pressure, you can say isothermal, anything. W is equal to the PDV, there is a reversible, closed system reversible work. Similarly, integration VDP minus integration VDP, that is your open system work for any type of process. But what is one condition? It is for reversible process. Okay. चलिए, so C is the right answer. Let us move to the next question in front of you. Okay. I think this is question number 10. मैं check कर लेता हूँ. Okay, 9. So this is question number 9. The content of a well insulated tanks are heated by a resistor 23 ohm and this much is the ampere current, 10 ampere flowing in a tank. Consider the following things with its content as a thermodynamic system. The work done by the system and the heat transfer to the system are positive. Work done by the system is positive and heat transfer to the system is positive. He is actually telling you about the sign convention. The rate of heat transfer and work transfer in internal energy, change in internal energy during the process in kilowatt. Okay, now how you will solve this question, guys? You know, well insulated tank. Well insulated का मतलब क्या है बच्चों? dq is 0. Well insulated tank dq equal to 0. Okay. अभी यहाँ पे क्या है? टैंक है, so there is no such expansion. अभी यहाँ पे क्या होगा? There is no such piston cylinder arrangement, so expansion work is also 0. But there is work you are supplying, which work? Electrical work. We are supplying some electrical work done on the system, and that work done on the system is negative. So here you can write equation dq equal to du plus dw. Okay. अभी dq कितना है? That is 0. du suppose हमें निकालना चाह रहे हैं हम du, हम we want to find out what is dw, guys. It is a work done on the system, so that will be I square RT. Okay, अभी वॉट में पूछ रहा है आपसे, किसमें दे रहा है आंसर? किसमें दे रहा है? किलोवाट में. यस, आंसर किसमें पूछ रहा है? किलोवाट में. देन यू कैन राइट इट हियर I square R ओनली. सो I कितना है बच्चों आपका? 10 स्क्वायर इनटू R व्हिच इज 23. ओके, तो यहां से अगर आप इसको सोल्व करोगे यू विल गेट du कितना आ जाएगा आपका? du विल बी 100 इनटू दिस, सो इट विल बी 2300 जूल watt, sorry, 2300 watt. Okay, 2300 watt, and you can write it like this also. This will be 2.3 kilowatt. Okay, so internal energy is going to increase. Internal energy क्या करेगी? आपको बढ़ेगी. So work कितना है बच्चों? Work is given, work is done on the system, that is minus 2.3 kilowatt. The change in internal energy is plus 2.3 kilowatt, and the heat transfer is 0. You can easily answer the right option. अभी देखो इसमें तो Q दे रखा है, तो ये तो वैसे ही नहीं हो सकते. These are wrong. इसमें Q दे रहा है 0, but work क्या दे रहा है? Positive. That is wrong. Work is done, not done by the system. Work is done on the system. So the right option is option A. Heat transfer 0. Work is done on the system, which is minus 2.3 kilowatt, and the change in internal energy is 2.3 kilowatt. So A is the right answer for this question. Chaliye, let us move to next question, question number 10. When heat energy of 1500 joules is supplied to a gas at constant pressure, there an increase in the volume. So this is the increase in volume. So volume is expanding, means this is the work done by the system, positive work. The increase in internal energy, very simple question. Both ये हलवा टाइप की क्वेश्चन है बच्चों, and easily you will be able to solve this question. Okay, तो you know dq equal to du plus dw. Okay, अभी dq कितना है बच्चों? dq is given to you when this much of the heat is supplied to the gas and heat added to the system क्या होता है बच्चों? That is positive. So here you need to write 1500 plus 1500 because this is the heat added to the system equal to du. du हमें निकालना है. dw क्या है बच्चों? PDV, positive work. Pressure कितना है? Pressure is this constant pressure 2.1 into 10 की power 5 into change in volume is this 2.5 into 10 की power minus 3. Okay, तो इसको सोल्व करोगे you will get du plus 21 गुना 25 आ जाएगा. Okay, so this is equal to 1500. So du will be 1500 minus, इसको इससे करोगे क्या आ जाएगा बच्चों? इट विल बी 25 को 20 से करोगे यू विल गेट 500. ओके, और 500 को एक और करोगे तो इट विल बी 525. इसका डिफरेंस लोगे तो du विल बी 975 जूल. ओके, ये किस में आ जाएगा आपका? जूल्स में. The change in internal energy will be 975 joule. So C is the right answer for this question. C क्या हो जाएगा बच्चों? C will be the right answer for this question. Please check and confirm. Is it clear to all of you guys? चलिए, let us move to next question. Slightly moderate level question. Next question, question number 11 in front of you. A sample of an ideal gas is taken through a cycle as shown in the figure. C to A, A to B and B to C. This is a cycle. It absorbs 50 joule of energy during the process AB. AB में क्या करता है? 50 joules of energy absorb करता है. No heat transfer during BC. BC में no heat transfer है. Reject 70 joule during CA. Okay. CA में क्या कर रहा है बच्चों? Reject कर रहा है. Okay. So reject 70 joule during CA. तो guys, can you write here net heat transfer Q net? क्या आप Q net लिख सकते हो? नेट हीट ट्रांसफर इन दिस प्रोसेस. नेट हीट ट्रांसफर क्या हो जाएगा? इट विल बी 50 प्लस 50, ओके, प्लस 50 माइनस 70. सो द नेट हीट ट्रांसफर विल बी माइनस 20. नेट हीट ट्रांसफर विल बी माइनस 20. सो Q net इक्वल टू W net. W net in this process, in this cycle, entire cycle, the W net is what? The W net is minus 20. Okay. So is this minus 20 is equal to net work? Net work means work transfer during process CA plus work transfer during process AB plus work transfer during process BC. Okay, this is actually a closed cycle. Closed cycle hai. So this AB is representing a constant volume process, so this will be 0. This will be 0. 40 joule of the work is done on the gas during BC. During BC you are doing work 40 joule, so that will be negative. So minus 20 equal to WCA minus 40. तो WCA कितना आ जाएगा बच्चों? WCA will be plus 20. WCA will be plus 20. What is asking you now? The internal energy. Please check it again. Okay. दोबारा चेक कर लेते हैं. W net equal to absorbs 50 joule of energy during the process AB. So this is plus 50. Reject minus 70. So it is the net heat transfer is minus 20. So minus 20 equal to the net work transfer. The net work transfer is the work transfer during process CA plus AB plus BC. Okay. During process 40 joule of work is done on the gas during BC. Okay. So BC क्या हो जाएगा? It will be minus 40. Minus 40 है तो इधर जाके क्या हो जाएगा? It will be plus 40. Okay. So that's why you will have a plus 20. Let me check it again. So WAC, during the process BC, internal energy of the gas at A is 1500 joule. Okay, at this point UA equal to 1500 joule. What is asking you? He is asking you to find out internal energy at point C. आपसे पूछ रहा है UC, internal energy at point C. तो change in internal energy निकालो बच्चों. During process CA, if you will find out change in internal energy. So for process CA, what we can write? dQ equal to du plus dW. Yes or no? This we can write for any process. Now for this CA process, what is the heat transfer? For CA process, what is heat transfer, guys? During process CA, it reject 70 joule. Okay, it reject 70 joule. So here you need to write minus 70. du we want to find out. d तो हम निकालना चाह रहे हैं. What is the work transfer, guys? During CA, work transfer is 20. तो यहाँ से क्या आ जाएगा? You will get du equal to minus 90. The change in internal energy during the process this C to A is minus 90. Yes or no? The internal energy is going to decrease. Okay. So what you can say? UA minus UC. UA minus UC, that is equal to minus 90. Because the change in internal energy is final minus initial, so UA minus UC equal to minus 90. Okay, तो यहाँ पे अगर आप वैल्यू पुट करोगे बच्चों, UA is nothing but 1500, UC we want to find out and that is minus 90. तो इसको solve करोगे, you will get UC equal to 1590 joules. So UC equal to 1590 joule. Okay, and this is the right answer for this question. Okay, please check it again and confirm. Is that clear to all of you guys? तो यहाँ पे जो internal energy है, this will come out 1590 joule. You can check and this is the answer for this question. Okay, ठीक है बच्चों. चलिए, let us move to next question. Question number 12. Question number 12 in front of you. Air as an ideal gas undergoes an imaginary reversible cycle as shown in the figure. So this is some imaginary reversible cycle, A to B, 1 to 2, 2 to 3 and 3 to 1. Temperature at 1 is given to you 27 degree Celsius. Okay. अभी यहाँ पे ये वॉल्यूम है, देखो थोड़ा बहुत आगे पीछे हो सकता है. Yes. Okay. Here the volume is V, जो भी है. And CPC values are given to you. What is asking you? Find the heat rejected during the process, during the cycle. What is net heat rejection? आपसे पूरा heat rejection पूछ रहा है. Net heat rejection during the process cycle. Net heat rejection during the cycle. Okay बच्चों, ठीक है. अभी if you will solve this question, like if you will draw the TS diagram also, अगर इसका आप TS diagram बनाते हैं, टेम्परेचर वर्सेस एंट्रोपी डायग्राम. ओके, देखो बच्चों 1 to 2 is what? A constant temperature process. 1 to 2 is constant temperature, so you will have a horizontal line, something like this. 1 to 2 आपको क्या मिलेगा? एक constant horizontal line, constant temperature. ठीक है. Now 2 to 3 you are having a constant volume. Constant volume. तो क्या मिलेगा आपको? You will have a curve on TS diagram. Constant volume will be something like this. So this is point 3 to 1 constant pressure, so you will have a curve something like this. The slope of constant volume ज़्यादा होता है, तो it is, you can observe it from here also. This is constant volume, volume constant, and this is pressure constant, and this is temperature constant. Okay, and this is the entire cycle 1 2 3 1. Okay. Now, guys, if you will find out net heat transfer in this process, अगर आपको net heat transfer इस process में निकालना है, Q net. तो बच्चों Q net क्या होगा? Net heat transfer in this process will be heat transfer during the process 1 to 2 plus heat transfer during the process 2 to 3 plus heat transfer during the process 3 to 1. Yes or no? Find heat rejected पूछ रहा है आपसे क्या पूछ रहा है? Heat rejected. So only we need to find out heat rejection. हमें क्या निकालना है? Heat rejection only. Okay, not net heat transfer. We only need to find out the heat rejection. What is the total heat rejection? Net क्या हो जाएगा? Heat addition plus heat rejection. Okay, that is net heat transfer. But he is not asking you net heat transfer. He is only asking you what is the heat rejection. Okay. So guys, 1 to 2 is what? 1 to 2 is a constant temperature process. Entropy is increasing. Constant temperature, entropy increasing. What it means? In this process, heat is adding or rejecting. इस प्रोसेस में आप हीट को ऐड कर रहे हो या रिजेक्ट कर रहे हो बच्चों? हीट एडिशन इज देयर. व्हाई? कांस्टेंट टेंपरेचर पे इफ एंट्रोपी इज इंक्रीजिंग मींस वी आर एडिंग हीट. सो दिस इज एक्चुअली a heat addition process. This is heat addition. Similarly, 2 to 3 constant pressure, constant volume. Constant volume पे temperature is increasing, entropy is increasing. So what is this? This is also a heat addition process. This 1 to 2 is also a heat addition process. 2 to 3 because heat addition अगर हमें देखना है बच्चों, we need to draw this TS diagram. PV था हमारे पास, वर्क की अगर हम बात करते तो यहाँ से हम खेल कर जाते. He is asking about the heat transfer, net heat rejection. So that's why we have drawn this TS diagram. 1 to 2 is your isothermal, then 2 to 3 constant pressure. Here also temperature is increasing, entropy is increasing. So you are adding some heat. अभी 3 to 1 अगर आप देखोगे, constant pressure, entropy is decreasing, temperature is decreasing. Means in this process we are rejecting heat. तो हम यहाँ पे क्या कर रहे हैं? रिजेक्ट कर रहे हैं. मीन्स एक्चुअली इनडायरेक्टली ही इज आस्किंग यू अबाउट द हीट ट्रांसफर ड्यूरिंग द प्रोसेस 3 to 1. आपसे वो पूछ रहा है हीट ट्रांसफर ड्यूरिंग द प्रोसेस 3 to 1. तो पहले तो इस पूरे क्वेश्चन में आपको यही समझना पड़ेगा कि आपको निकालना क्या. अर्लियर वी हैव रिटन दिस लाइक, बट ही इज नॉट आस्किंग यू क्यू नेट. आपसे सिर्फ क्या पूछ रहा है? वो हीट रिजेक्शन. तो हीट रिजेक्शन मीन्स हीट ट्रांसफर ड्यूरिंग द प्रोसेस 3 to 1 एंड दिस एक्चुअली कांस्टेंट प्रेशर प्रोसेस. ये क्या आपका एक कांस्टेंट प्रेशर प्रोसेस है. ओके. और कांस्टेंट प्रेशर प्रोसेस में जो हीट ट्रांसफर होता है बच्चों, ये क्या होता है? दिस इज mCp dt. सो इट इज mCp T3 minus T1. कांस्टेंट प्रेशर, क्लोज सिस्टम, reversible, constant pressure. What is the heat transfer? Change in enthalpy, which is mCp dt T3 minus T1. Okay, so T1 is given to you guys. T1 तो देखो उसने आपको दिया है 27 डिग्री सेल्सियस. So T1 is 300 Kelvin. अगर आप T3 निकाल लेते हैं बच्चों, you will get the answer because मास कितना है आपको देखो, an ideal gas है आपका, टेम्परेचर है, आपसे हीट रिजेक्शन पर किलो जूल पर केजी बोल रहा है. इट मींस मास इज 1 kg. मास को कितना पुट कर दो? 1 kg. बिकॉज ही इज आस्किंग यू हीट ट्रांसफर इन किलो जूल पर केजी, सो यू कैन पुट मास इक्वल टू 1 kg. Cp is given to you 1.005. So only if you will able to find out T3, you will get the answer. T3 कहाँ से आएगा बच्चों? From where you will get the T3? अभी देखो T1 is equal to T2. 1 to 2 T1 equal to T2. Okay, and 2 to 3 is a constant volume process. 2 to 3 is constant volume process. So let me write it here. यहाँ मैं लिख देता हूँ 4 2 to 3 constant volume process. Constant volume process. What you can write it here guys? Constant volume process के लिए क्या होता है? P by T equal to constant. Yeah, what you can say? Because this is 2 to 3, so you can say P3 by P2 that is equal to T3 by T2. तो यहाँ से T3 कितना आ जाएगा बच्चों? T3 equal to T2 into P3 by P2. Okay, तो T3 कितना आ जाएगा आपका? You know T1 equal to T2. T1 T2 both are same. 1 to 2 is isothermal process. So यहाँ से अगर आप इसको solve करोगे, you will get T3 equal to T2. T2 is 300 because यहाँ पे लिख लो आप T2 equal to T1 equal to 300 Kelvin. P3 कितना है बच्चों? P3 by P1. This is 400. This is 100. Okay, 400 by 100. So here you can write it here 400 by 100. Okay. तो ये कितना जाएगा? This will be 4. तो ये कितना जाएगा? 1200 Kelvin. So T3 is your 1200 Kelvin. Now the heat transfer for the process 3 to 1 that is equal to M is 1, Cp is 1.005, dt is 1200 minus 300. तो आंसर आ जाएगा आपका 900 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 1.005. आंसर किस में आ जाएगा बच्चों? किलो जूल में. सो इट विल बी 904.5 किलो जूल पर kg. Okay, and this is the right answer for this question. Please check and confirm. Is it clear guys? क्या ये सबको clear है? Let me also check the answer so that we can ensure there is no such calculation mistake. Yes, it is very right. 904.5 kilojoule per kg. Okay, so this is next question, question number 13 in front of you guys. Let me read it for you guys first. A perfect gas from state A to another state B is moved, absorbing this much of the heat and doing this much of the work, external work. It is now transferred between the same two states in another process. Okay, so it is something like that. If you will show, there is some process A to B. Okay, A to B. There is another process also A to B. So this is suppose process 1 and this is another process 2 between A to B. Okay. So these two processes are different. It is not like that it is moving from A to B and again coming from A through B. These are two different processes. First is through this particular path, second is through this particular path. Okay. What is asking you? Absorbing this much of the heat. Then in the second process, what is the heat? What is the work done? In second process, what is the work done? Okay. Now, so now guys, you know, for these these two processes, the end states are same. The end states means this A and B, these are same. So what you can say, the change in internal energy for the process 1, that is equal to the change in internal energy for the process 2. For both the processes, the change in internal energy will be same. Okay. Now if you will apply the first law of thermodynamics for the process 1, and if you will write dq equal to du plus dw, okay, this is for process 1, P1. Okay. So what you can write it here guys, क्या लिख सकते हो यहाँ पे? During process 1, A to B, it is absorbing this much of the heat. So dq is this heat addition to the system, it is positive. So the change in internal energy for the process 1 plus this much of the work is done, external work. So work is doing, so it is the work done by the system. So this is 6.5 into 10 to the power 5. So you will have change in internal energy for the process 1, that is equal to 1.5 into 10 to the power 5 joules. Okay. Now if you will again carry out similar kind of analysis for the process 2, you can write here dq equal to du plus dw for the process 2 also. Okay. And dq for the process 2, it is now again when you are moving from A to B via process 2, so it is absorbing this much of the heat, so this is 10 to the power 5. Now you know these two processes end states are same, so their change in internal energy is same. So here also you can put it equal to 1.5 into 10 to the power 5 plus dw. So dw क्या आ जाएगा बच्चों? You will have dw equal to minus 0.5 into 10 की power 5. Yes or no? What it means? In the second process, when you are moving it between the same states A to B, in another process, the work is done by on the system, and that work done on the system is 0.5 into 10 की power 5 joule. So the right answer for this question is C. Work is done on the gas, and this is the right answer for this question. Okay, chaliye, let us move to next question, question number 14. An ideal gas expands isothermally from V1 to V2, and then it is compressed to original volume V1 adiabatically. Initial pressure is P1, final pressure is P3. Then what is the relationship which will be right for this particular process? So guys, first you need to plot this entire process. It is first moving from V1 to V2, expand हो रहा है. So this is 0.1. Okay, this is 0.2. Expand होगा तो volume will increase. Okay, किस manner में it is moving? In isothermal manner. So this 1 to 2 is isothermal, constant temperature, constant. From 2 to 3, it is now you are compressing the gas in adiabatic manner, and you know adiabatic slope is more than the isothermal slope, so you will have a process something like this. So this is 2 to 3. अभी इसका slope क्या होता है बच्चों? ज़्यादा होता है. So this is 0.1, this is 0.3. Okay. This actually we are plotting on PV diagram only. ये slope कहाँ पे बना रहे हैं हम? PV diagram पे. So clearly you can analyze कि this P3 is more than P1. तो P3 क्या होगा बच्चों? The pressure after the compression it will be more than the initial pressure. P3 is more than P1. Now another thing, if you analyze in this process 1 to 2, the volume is expanding. We are getting the positive work. During process 2 to 3, we are compressing the gas because this is the volume is what you can say decreasing, boundaries are what you can say collapsing, so decreasing, so what you can say work is done on the system. So this 1 to 2 is the positive work, 2 to 3 is the negative work. And which work is more, guys? This work is more or this work is more? In which case the area under the curve is more? The area under the curve is more in this case of 2 to 3. So what you can say, the net work is negative work. Okay, so net work क्या होगा? It will be negative. So the net work W net, it will be negative. Why? How you can say? Because W 2 to 3 is more than W 1 to 2. Okay, ये क्या आपका positive work है, and this is your negative work, and negative work is more than the positive work, so entire work will be the negative work. So C is the right answer for this question. Okay, C will be the right answer for this question. चलिए, let us move to the last question, question number 15. Okay, a gas expands in a piston cylinder assembly. There is some piston cylinder assembly. Okay, and a gas is expanding in this. Gas क्या कर रहा है बच्चों? Expand कर रहा है from the initial pressure P1 8 bar volume this to this particular pressure. In a process during which this is the relationship which is following, PV की power 1 by 2 equal to constant. This is the relationship this particular process is following. Mass of the gas is given to you 0.25. Kinetic potential energy changes are negligible. If the specific internal energy of the gas is decreased by this, du is given to you this 55 kilojoule per kg during the process. What will be the transfer? What will be the transfer? क्या पूछा आपसे? During what will be the क्या होना चाहिए यहाँ पे? Work transfer. There is some missing. Something is missing. Okay. So हम इसको check करते हैं, solve करते हैं बच्चों. A gas expand in a piston cylinder assembly from P1 V1 to P2. Okay. So if you will use this particular relation, अगर मैं ये relationship use कर लेते हैं बच्चों, PV की power 1 by 2 equal to constant. Okay. So P1 कितना है बच्चों आपका? P1 is 8 bar. So you can write it here. यहाँ हम V2 निकाल भी लेते हैं. Let us first find out V2. So P1 is 8 bar. Okay. So 8 into V1 is 0.02 की power 1.2, that is equal to P2, which is 2 bar into V2 की power 1 by 2. Okay. तो यहाँ से you can easily find out the value of V2. Okay. या आप ऐसा भी लिख सकते हो 8 by 2 4 equal to V2 by 0.02 की whole power 1 by 2. Okay. तो यहाँ से you can find out the V2 value. Okay. Let me first solve it and let me write it here, the value of V2. So यहाँ पे अगर आप power लोगे it will be 1 by 2. So 1 by 1.2 and 4 power this, and if you multiply it by 0.02 you will get V2. So V2 is coming out 0.063. Okay, 0.06349. So this is the final volume. So we know the initial volume, we know the final volume. So work transfer, पहले हम work transfer निकालते हैं बच्चों. Let us first find out the work transfer in this process. Okay, then I think he is asking you about the heat transfer. हम इसमें changes कर देंगे. Let us first find out the work transfer in this process. Okay, so work transfer in this process, work transfer polytropic process है. Polytropic तो क्या होता है बच्चों? It will be P1 V1 minus P2 V2 by n minus 1. Okay, किलो जूल में निकालते हैं. So work P1 will be 8 bar. So it is 8 into 10 की power 2 into V1 is 0.02 minus P2 is 2 bar, so 2 into 10 की power 2 into 0.0631, okay, divided by n minus 1, so this is 0.2 because n is given to you 1.2. okay, तो इसको हम सोल्व करते हैं. 10 की पावर 2 you can take it common, so 8 into 0.02 minus 2 into 0.0631 multiply by 100, and if you will divide it by 0.2, so I'm getting 16.9. okay, I'm getting this 16.9. 16.9 kilojoule. Okay, why? Because we are putting pressure in kilopascal, so this is in kilojoule. 16.9 kilojoule. okay, now if you will find out the heat transfer, अगर हम इस प्रोसेस में heat transfer निकालते हैं बच्चों, तो heat transfer equal to the change in internal energy plus work transfer. okay, so change in internal energy is given to you. Let me check it here. What is the change in internal energy? The change in internal energy in this process is 55 kilojoule per kg, and the mass is given to you 0.25. This is specific internal energy and this is mass 0.25. So if you will put it here, अगर आप यहाँ पे put करते हैं 0.25 into 55. okay, अभी ये साइन देख लेते हैं. This is positive or negative. okay, decreased by this. okay, so this is negative. Internal energy is decreasing, so this will be negative. Let me write it here, negative. And this is the positive work, 16.9. ये kilojoule per kg है, so multiply by mass you will get in, this is also in kilojoule. So let us solve this. 55 multiply by 0.25, you will get minus 13.75, okay, plus 16.9. इसको solve करते हैं. 16.9 minus इसको करेंगे, you will get 3.15. okay, let us check. Is there any right option is matching with this? okay, you need to check the calculation also. Let me check. okay, yes, so V1 is given to you 0.02, yes. So P1 V1 is 0.02 की power 1 by 2, that is equal to P2, which is 2 bar, 2 into V2 की power 1 by 2. So you can write it as 4 into V2 by this की power 1 by 2 or 4 की power. Let me check it again, the value of V2. So it will be 0.0634. okay, so this is 0.0634. थोड़ा सा मैं चेंज कर देता हूँ. दिस इज 0.3634. ओके, तो यहाँ भी हम लिख देते हैं दिस इज 0.3604. तो देखते हैं व्हाट विल बी द चेंज इन दिस. थोड़ा बहुत चेंज आ जाएगा इसमें. सो दिस विल बी 8 into 0.02 minus 2 into 0.0634 multiply by 1100 divided by 0.2. So I'm getting 16.6. okay, मेरे पास जो आंसर आ रहा है दिस इज 16.6. okay, so 16.6 this I am getting. Now if I will use this, इसको अगर मैं यूज करता हूँ यहाँ पे 16.6, yes, 2.85. So I'm getting 2.85 kilojoule. okay, so this is the heat transfer in this process. Heat transfer in this process. okay, so guys, this is the right option, right answer. Let me check. okay, so this is the right option, close to this only. This is the right option, 2.75. okay, अभी मेरा 2.85 हो रहा है. You can check what will be the right option? Okay, because this is a very close 2.85, 2.75. So this is the right answer for this question, and let me write it here, the heat transfer also, because यहाँ पे क्या लिखोगे आप, what will be the heat transfer? What will be the heat transfer in this process in kilojoule? Okay, so guys, these are the 15 questions which actually we have solved for this Fundu 15 series for thermodynamics. Again, we will meet in the next Monday, and we will solve some question from the work and heat and first law of thermodynamics for an open system. So please keep revising the things. If you are facing difficulty in any topic, you can shoot your query in the comment section. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Keep preparing. Good luck.